What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to take this mower deck off the LT1045 Cub Cadet. Pretty simple, but I've seen some people struggling with it. You want to turn your tires to the left, and then what we're going to do is raise the deck up all the way to number 5. You're going to get a bunch of wood, and then we're gonna stick the wood under the back of the deck. Alright, so once you got like a 2x4 or whatever, you're just gonna slide that in. And after you got the wood slid in, you're just gonna take your deck, put it down to number 1. And you can see that's resting there. Come over, see them hooks. All you're gonna do, and it's much easier this way. Just pull that. It's gonna release the black lever, this black piece. You just put that hook to the side like that. Do the same on the other side. Here we are on the other side. Pop that one out. Okay, so then what you do is you're gonna pull the wood out the back, and you're just gonna lift the deck. Deck's dropped, and then right over here you can see you got the bar. Well, all we do is roll that forward, the deck that is, lift up. Once that's unhooked, there's your deck. The thing I want to note is those black levers you've seen that you pulled these pins out of. They slide down right in between here, and then these J hooks just go through the hole, like right there, into the black piece. But that black piece got to sit here and here. Alright, so now to reassemble this, all we're going to do is we're going to take this and slide it up, in. You see how it's in there? You're going to roll it back. Okay, so now take your boards and put them under the front end, and then you have the back side here. It's almost lined up, you see? And then we're going to lift the back end of the deck up and pull your J hooks out.